In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect Binance to TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, linking these two platforms can significantly enhance your trading experience by simplifying your analysis and allowing seamless execution of trades. TradingView is a powerful analytical tool, while Binance offers a robust trading platform. Together, they can serve your trading needs comprehensively. To get started, visit TradingView.com and ensure you're logged in. If you don't have an account, creating one is straightforward. Once logged in, head directly to the chart section. This area is crucial for conducting market analysis, so getting familiar with it will be beneficial. Next, locate the trading panel, typically found at the bottom of your chart interface. This panel is your gateway to connecting a wide range of brokers and exchanges directly to TradingView. Click on the trading panel to access a list of potential brokers you can link to your TradingView account. Scroll through the list until you find Binance. It's usually easy to spot given its popularity. Click on it to prompt a connection dialog. If you already have a Binance account, the next steps should be straightforward. If not, you'll need to create a Binance account first and then return to this guide. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need them for the next step. Once you've selected Binance, click on the Connect button. This is where TradingView and Binance begin to sync. Depending on your Binance account's security settings, you might need to input a two-factor authentication code or verify the connection through an email or mobile confirmation. Follow any on-screen prompts accurately to ensure a secure and proper connection. After connecting, double-check that your TradingView interface reflects this new setup. You should be able to see Binance among your brokers. It may take a moment for things to update, but soon you'll be able to trade directly using Binance from within TradingView. And that's it. You've successfully connected Binance to TradingView. This setup enables you to execute trades more efficiently and consolidates your trading efforts within one user-friendly platform. Remember, keeping your account secure should always be a priority. Stay vigilant about where and when you're entering your login details. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.